guys, welcome back. Today we're making a really cool looking flourless chocolate cake. It is like a mud cake with espresso and everything, but no flour. So I'm super excited to make this. It looks really delicious. So let's get baking. We're gonna start with 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate and add in a half a cup of butter. We're going to melt this in the microwave in 30-second intervals. We're going to stir this every 30 seconds to make sure that we don't burn it. We're going to add our chocolate into a new larger bowl, and we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of espresso and 1 cup of sugar. After mixing this together, we're going to add in 4 eggs and mix again. Finally, we're going to mix in 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now we're going to line the bottom of a spring-form pan with parchment paper and spray down the sides and bottom with cooking spray. Now we will pour our batter into the pan and make sure that's evenly spread throughout. We will bake this at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Now in a new bowl, we'll add in 1 cup of chocolate chips with half a cup of heavy cream. We'll melt this in the microwave for 30-second intervals, stirring every 30 seconds. Once the cake comes out of the oven, let it cool before you take it out of the pan. And then we will top it and evenly coat it with our ganache. For other toppings and decorations, you can add raspberries, strawberries, and even sprinkles. So here's the final product. It is a really lovely looking slice of cake. It's not a large, thick layer, but with all of the chocolate and the espresso that went into it, I'm sure this is more than enough for me. It looks to be a very rich cake, but looks delicious. It's got a very thick layer of ganache on top. So let's take a bite. So it's delicious. It's rich, like I said. A small sliver would be more than enough for me. And the cake itself is very large, not a thick layer, but it's large enough. This would be a big hit at a Valentine's Day party or something like that. The raspberries are really good with all the chocolate, so I would definitely recommend using raspberries. Or you could make multiple layers and put a raspberry filling between it. That would be super good. But that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy Valentine's Day!
Marker. And action.
And action. So I'm super excited to make this. It looks really delicious. The camera seemed to move.
It's not moving.
It literally looked like it moved like that.
It didn't.
To look at me more, and it scared me.
It's not moving.
It scared me. The camera's possessed. So that's extra rich. Ka-ching.
Oh, okay.
Dude. So how you doing? Bacon. Bacon. So it is very
Rich.
It's very rich. It's rich. Yeah, it's rich, guys. It gave me $100 for a tip. And
Got it.
yay, we did it.